there, it's Perry with Paper Crafting Threads. Today I have an unboxing of the Hello Spring February 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit. We have the great Petunia Pop ink spot, our stamp set, which I'll look at in just a moment. Okay, our colors this month are Basic Beige, Bubble Bath, Lemon Lime Twist, Lost Lagoon, Old Olive, Petunia Pop, and Bronze. And here are the suggested ways to put them together, and these look gorgeous. But as always, I'll be coming up with my own alternatives. And our stamp set includes chives. So we have our stems and the flower. And then our sentiments are sending love, for you, hello spring, happy Easter, thanks for helping me grow, and to a wonderful friend. And look at this cute little texture. These are great. We have linen thread, tear and tape. Look at these envelopes. These are so cute. I have an idea of what we can do with that. A giant sheet of dimensionals. Card bases. So we have 3 of this pattern, which matches that. And we can make more of these. So with these patterns here, the coordinating stamp set, Grow with Love, has all of these. These are some great labels with this frame on here. And again, the stamp set that coordinates with it has the same frame, though smaller. So I love that when I use up all the pieces here in the kit, I can make more. And card base number 2 has a great pattern so that it looks like it's textured. And again, we can make more card bases with this stamp here. And more labels. So we have circles, rectangles, and like a banner style. I love this little crimped end. And I have this punch that has a very similar edge, plus this edge, so I think that would go well with this. And another card base. Ooh, this one has the bronze foil. Very cool. Oh, love these colors. And again, I can make more of these with this set. They kind of glow. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but just gorgeous colors. And more die cuts. I am super impressed with this kit. It's just gorgeous. And I love this style of envelope that's a little bit different. And if you want to make more of this envelope, I am going to destroy one of them. If you heat up the adhesive, which I just did in my microwave, you can So now I have a pattern to make more envelopes. And there's also the add-on, the Spring is in the Air dies. So I can cut out the chive stems and the flower. My head is just spinning with all the possibilities. So please check back and watch for my alternatives. Thanks for watching. Bye.